Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Retekess. Today I'm going to show you how to pair T112 paging system. Use the pager matched to the keypad. Okay, the first one is number 1 pager. You can see the red light flashing on the pager. It means this one is in standby mode. Okay, how to pair pager with the keypad? Use your hand to take off the plastic stickers and the logo paper. You find a pin here and you can see the button. This one is set, this one is mode. Okay, press the set and you can see the red light on here and press 1 and call. Yes, you can hear the beep sound. It means it paired successfully. Let's try to check it. Number 1 and call. Yes, it have beep vibration and flashing lights. You can press here to stop. If you want to change the mode, you can press the mode here. Pay attention that you need to change the mode when the pager in the standby mode. Press it. Yes, it turned into beep. Okay, here is the vibration and press it again. It's only beep. Let's try the code. Yes, it's beep, vibration and flashlights. It's no beep sound. Okay, after you set it all down, take the logo paper and the plastic sticker back again, and you can put it back and it will go normal use. Let's try to set another one. Also, take off the plastic sticker and the logo paper. Press the set and see the red light is on. Use your number you want and call. Yes, it has beep sound. It means it is paired successfully. Okay, let's try to call number 2. Yes, it only have the beep sound. If you want to use the vibration mode, press here, mode key. Yes, we try to call it again. Yes, it only have the flashlights and vibration. Okay, you can use this button to turn off. Let's try to change it back to beep sound. Try to call it again. Yes, it has the beep sound again. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us or email us at support@retekess.com. Thank you for watching.